Hello everybody and welcome back for some more phonics. Let me tell you what we're getting up to today. First of all, we need to recap our sounds. Then we're going to play What Am I Talking About? Then today you're going to do some writing with me. So later you will need your pencil and your paper or your whiteboard, whatever you'd like to write on today, that's fine. We need to practice some letters, the shapes of some letters. And you need to check that you know how to write your name, which I know a lot of you do now, so that's awesome. Rightio, let's have a little look. What's next? Ooh. Here we go. So all of our jobs today are with group 1 and group 2 again, so that we can really get to grips with these tricky sounds. So if you would like to, you may print these pictures off. I know a couple of people have already got them as a display at home to help them with their phonics, which is a fantastic idea. Let's whiz through as fast as we can. See the sound and say what it is. Try and beat me. This one is eh, I, s, t, d, r, mm, ah. Super stuff. Well done, everybody. Make sure when you're saying your sounds that you're just saying the sound and not another sound on the end. So don't say m, say and don't say n, say That's for the grown-ups as well as the kids. All right, so let's crack on and play What Am I Talking About? You don't need anything yet except your looking eyes and your clapping hands. So put everything else down and watching the screen. You need to listen to me sound out. As soon as you know what word I'm saying, you can say it out loud. You can point to it on the screen. And then after that, you can have a go at sounding out yourself. So let's get cracking. Ready? What am I talking about? We've got lots of different pictures here. This picture is sick. This picture is map. This picture is man. This picture is rip. And this picture is net. Okay, so let's go. What am I talking about? An. You might have already got it. If you haven't, listen again. Man. Well done, you're right. It was the man. Super. Okay, let's sound out another one. Ah. Ah. App. Map. Well done. If you got that, that's super. Listen carefully. What am I talking about? I. If you're not sure, say it with me. It. What are we talking about? Rip. Rip. Super. Okay. Are you ready? What am I talking about? Et. Et. Fantastic. It's the net. Well done. Super. And the last one, because we've had all of the others now. The last one was sick, wasn't it? Can you help me by sounding out sick? Try it now. Let me try with you. S, I, s, I. And this one was sick, wasn't it? All right, well done, everybody. Let's try and get our pictures back. There we go. All right, so now I would like you to pause the video and sound out man. Pause the video and sound out man. Off you go. Great. I hope you sounded out ah, Brilliant. Okay, pause the video and sound out map. Off you go. Okay, I'm going to sound out map with you now. Ah. Brilliant sounding out. And there's still only 3 sounds. Ah. Brilliant. Let's try the next one. Let's try rip. Are you ready? Sound out rip. Off you go. Pause the video. Well done. And last but not least, let's sound out net. Sorry, I didn't show you rip before. Now net. Let's sound out net. Off you go. Brilliant. Well done, everyone. Now it's your turn to write. So go and get your pencil and your paper, or your pen and your whiteboard to get ready for work. If you haven't got your things yet, pause the video and go and get it. And if you're ready, make sure you're sitting nicely, holding your pencil properly, ready to get going. I've got groups 1 and 2 here to help you. So when we sound out, you can find the one you need on the screen, and then you can copy that letter. You don't have to put the dots on your page, but you can if it will help you to know where to put your letters. First things first, we need to sound out rip. And I would like you to try to sound out rip on your own. Pause the video. Great. So if you've sounded out rip, it should sound like this. So the first sound we need is So on your paper, you need to write Let me get my magic pen to show you. Everybody needs to write just the little shape. Well done. What comes next in rip? So the next sound is I. Everybody needs to write I. I. Great. And when you've finished I, let's check what comes next in rip. I. Well done. I. So let's get a P. Everybody needs to write P on their paper. Check back now that you've finished. Have you written rip? Point back to your letters and sound out I. Well done. I'm going to also write rip. Check that yours looks like mine. I. Fantastic, everybody. Okay, now it's time to write map. So move on to a different line or find a different space. We're going to write map. You sound out map. Off you go. Great. What sound is at the start of map? First letter we need is mm. Now let's remember, you need to make sure you go down, back up, over the hill, for map. Ah. Ah. Everybody needs to write ah. Ah. And when you're ready, what's at the end of map? Ah. P. Well done. Here it is. So let's write map. Well done. You should have written map. Ah. Super. It's disappearing now. Please do the same for net, man, and sick. I'll show you those again so you can pause. Net, man, sick. Well done everyone for your fantastic word writing. That is quite tricky and you've done a good job. So today, just make sure that you've practiced the letters and These letters all start, let me show you with yellow. At the top, you come down, back up, and over. The same for this one, start at the top, down, back up, and over the hill. And the same with down, back up, over the hill, with a little tail on the end. So make sure you practice and today. They are quite tricky ones, but they all start the same. Well done, everybody. Thank you for some fantastic phonics, for playing What Am I Talking About, for writing your words, and for practicing your letters. The last thing you need to do is check your name. Can you write it right now already? I hope you can. I'm sure lots of you can. If there's any letters that are a bit tricky or that you're not sure about yet, then you need to ask me and I can help you with them. Well done, everybody. Have a really super day, and we can't wait to see what else you get up to on Class Dojo. Bye.